So today, accidentally setting up my workstation, I noticed one more extra nice thing about my Centipede work table that I love so much. I accidentally slide these DeWalt workstations next to it, and I noticed if you put a 3/4 particle board on a 4x8 Centipede workstation, they become almost the same height. This way I could cut not just 4x8 sheets, but I can easily manage 4x10 or even 4x12. This is so cool. I love this table. Centipede 4x8 work table. Awesome. The best one I have found for cutting sheet goods. If your floor is relatively level, it's awesome. And even then, I haven't really had any problems with it. I just load up my sheets on top of it and just it's so easy to work. It's such a nice workstation. Makes for a big cutting table. One of the best purchases I have made. After you're done, it collapses like a little tent. You have a small form factor, and I just keep it in the back of my truck. Awesome, good job, Centipede.